welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. Today we're going to be again about you guys think might be useful. You know, Nerf was I came up with the best strategy for I set up before you go to war. Okay, to start off, I'd say at the beginning, but first always make sure your guns are fully loaded, because like having a shotgun like this is terrible. Okay, and always carry extra ammo, because you may only hold this much, and also you may consider carrying empty clips, because the war, you don't want to, if you buy a ton of ammo and all your clips are full, you can have a chance to fill up. Okay, next for the beginning, around the beginning. This is more at the end of the beginning, the bigger guns, and depending on the situation, you may only want to stick with medium and small. The main reason is this thing's going to be hard to carry around in a war. Depending on the situation, like if you're doing it at a friend's house and you're okay with just laying down on the ground like that, go ahead. But if it's in like the woods, do not. Okay, around the end, everyone's going to be resorting to these small, easily loaded ones. You always want easily loadable small shotguns. Then, of course, always have your things properly modeled. Like, see, this won't fit. You want this to be put on a thin or smaller guns, something like this. Even if it doesn't go with your plan, go ahead and add them. See, because this is sure. Next, if you're like in a huge area, go in with the sniper. But do not have any of these like shields or have. Okay. Okay, now just quickly. Now I'm going around this. But if the guns are like a built-in area, hold the biggest clip that will fit. Like, don't just put one of these in there. Hold one of these. See? Okay. Next, guns. Begin. Everyone's going to start, most likely start by using like these. But we actually want to do is start on the mid-power guns. See? It's good, decent, not like that. And also, well, I thought that wasn't loaded. Oh yeah, let me do this. No matter what type of Nerf you're doing, always wear eye protection, even if you're just in target practice. Because, like, all of these dots could, like a dot could ricochet and hit you back in the eye. Which next to the next thing. If you turn the situation, which guns you should use? In a smaller area like in here, you use a disc gun. Now you're like a big open field because of this ricochet. And also, have a few semi-automatic guns, because as quick as you get the bullets out, the better you are. And also, maybe with the gun of these, they may hit, but they might help, because if someone's loading, you can get a good shot. It might stop, and might make them drop the gun and give you a shot to go in with this. Like, watch how I do this. Like, have a door, yeah, shoot something, and pull this out, as many as you can for it as you can get out. Okay, around the endish, you should, around the middle, begin in the middle, you should put like these guns in, okay? And if you have time to set up, if you're the one setting up the war, hide guns. Like, you can hide this in a plant. okay, hidden, so you can just go in and take a emergency gun. Okay, around the middle, people will be resulting to this. When you stick to my strategy, you should be able to may stick around with this or this. That's when everyone's out of ammo with the big guns, having to stay down and reload. That's when you pull out the medium-sized guns. And where everyone's most likely last resort is hiding or reloading with one of these guys. So if you get a shot, just quickly have to reload it and shoot. When you come with one of these things like that. And the other one, oh yeah, good thing is always have these things properly, have the proper attachments. Like this, you don't put this thing on this. Your accuracy will be terrible. And also make sure everything's good. Like make sure you have a scope, make sure it's clean. Some guns you don't even want to add some attachment or even take it. And also before war, always make sure your attachments are correct. Like I just said it backwards. That means I can't see this color. Here. That's about as many tips as I can give right now. Merry Christmas. And also, around New Year, I'm going to be adding a new video, a new Lego series. With that. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and share. And also subscribe. And also one thing, please do not leave any mean comments.